Right, first pack. I'm going to be opening 5 packets today. Start off with an Eden Hazard, Chelsea star player, followed by a Pedro, Wickham, Gabriel, Darmian, Danny Rose, Joe Gomez, Williamson, Justine, and the Arsenal midfielder Santi Cazorla,
who I've got multiple times now.
and if you do want the code, please take it. Next pack.
Quickly move on to the second pack. So our second pack, we do get Johan Cabaye star player card, Oscar, away kit of Chelsea, Gail Clichy, Santi Cazorla, Michael Carrick, Gary Hooper, Christian Benteke, Jack Colback, Alan Hutton, Tottenham midfielder who is a midfielder duo card which we have already got, and a code.
Next pack.
We already got the Chelsea badge, unfortunately.
Chelsea badge. Tommy Elphick, John Ruddy, Phil Jagielka, Ogbonna, Chris Brunt, Ozayaki away kit, Yoshida, Jack Rodwell away kit, Schneiderlin. Disgusting pack.
I regret buying this. This is £5 worth of matchbacks as well.
Pathetic.
Should be getting better odds here. Oh, this pack is going to be better. So we do get a Jan Matt star player card, Matt Ritchie away kit, Mike Jelenic captain card of Crystal Palace, Galloway of Everton, Max Gradle, Monsieur Dembele, Nathaniel Klein, Jordi Clazy, Adam Mathians, and Ying. Done.